Buenos días. This week we'll be learning about la comida y el postre. This is my very favorite vocabulary list all year long because it has to do with food. And I apologize if you get hungry, but I'm sure we will all be hungry looking at these delicious meals. Okay, so we call it la comida y el postre, and that refers to food, la comida, and desserts, el postre. La comida, please repeat. Next up we have la bebida. Please repeat. And as you can see, that is a drink. Those are all non-alcoholic drinks, by the way. And you can remember it because it kind of looks like beverage, maybe. La bebida. Next we have la carne. Please repeat, la carne. And many of you have heard of carne asada, and so that means meat, carne, and then asada means seasoned. So seasoned meat is carne asada. And on this list we have just the plain carne, la carne. El pescado, please repeat. And we have el pescado, which is a fish you eat. We have a different word for a fish that swims, and that's called el pez. But you'll learn that later. So el pescado. Los mariscos, please repeat. So this word, los mariscos, refers to seafood. Oftentimes you'll see restaurants that has the name mariscos in it. That's because it's a seafood restaurant. Los mariscos. And you can kind of see marine, maybe like marine animals, mariscos. Yeah. El refresco, please repeat. Good job. El refresco is a cold drink. Could be a soda, or it could be a cold, apple juice, or anything that's cold. And you can see the word refresh almost. So that's a good way to remember it. El refresco. El desayuno. El desayuno. Please repeat. It is breakfast. And I like to remember the word, I can see the word uno in desayuno. So to me that's one. And you can think of the breakfast as being the first or the number one meal of the day. Desayuno. The next word we've had before, el almuerzo. We've had that in the classroom list, and it means lunch, el almuerzo. Next up is la cena. La cena means dinner. Please repeat, la cena. La merienda. Please repeat, la merienda. It's like our snack time, our nutrition time. It's in Spanish, we would be calling that la merienda. Please repeat, once again, la merienda. Here's a good cognate. Ensalada, la ensalada. Please repeat. And another kind of cognate, la sopa. Please repeat, la sopa. It looks like soap, but it's not. It's soup. La sopa. This one is easy to remember if you think of a pastry as a dessert, because you can kind of see pastry in el postre. Please repeat, el postre. My favorite, el postre. El jamón. Please repeat. I think it's a cognate. You actually say the word ham, and then you add on, sorry. It looks like jamon, but it's not. It's el jamón. A lot of you know this one from El Pollo Loco. It's chicken. Please repeat, el pollo. And please never say polo. It's a double L, which gives you the Y sound, el pollo. El chorizo. Please repeat. How many of you have had chorizos con huevos? You should recognize this word from that. A chorizo is a breakfast sausage often mixed with eggs. El chorizo. Please repeat. And then the opposite, or somewhat opposite, la salchicha. It's a different kind of sausage. It's a hot dog. La salchicha. Please repeat. El azúcar. Please repeat. El azúcar. And that's sugar. La sal. Please repeat. La sal. And it definitely is a cognate. Another cognate coming up is el vinagre. El vinagre. Please repeat. And next we have el aceite. Please repeat. This means oil. El aceite. El pan. Please repeat. El pan. And if you think of Panera bread, that's a good clue for you to remember that el pan means bread. La mantequilla. Please repeat, la mantequilla. Again, double L is a Y sound. La mantequilla. And that means butter. We've had this word before in our días festivos list, and it's los huevos. Please repeat, los huevos. Next we have el café. It's also a color. The color café is brown, but when you use it in context, then it's coffee. So el café de color café. The coffee, brown. Next, we have la leche. Please repeat, la leche. El agua. Please repeat, el agua. And we have another cognate, el restaurante. You have to say it a little slower and enunciate every vowel. El restaurante. Please repeat. Another cognate, el menú. You put the emphasis on the U. Instead of menu, you say el menú. Please repeat. Next, we have la cuenta. Please repeat, la cuenta. And that is a bill or a check. All right, you'll need to listen to this list again since I was going so quickly. So put on your earbuds and listen to it again and practice, practice, practice. Good luck, guys.